Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Students, today we are going to read a poem that is The Song of the Jellicles and it is written by T.S. Eliot. Students, I'm sure that you all must have seen a lot of cats in your life. So have you observed them? Do you know that even among cats there are different types or varieties? Yes, Jellicle cats are one of them. The word jellicle was invented by a niece of T.S. Eliot. Basically, jellicle cats is a contraction of dear little cats. So, students, while reading the poem, you will be able to recognize that some of the cat's behaviors described in this poem are not only the characteristics of the cats, but rather they have to do with human attitudes. Okay. So here the poet also seems to compare the cats with upper strata of the society. Upper strata of the society means the people who occupy the highest position in the society. In 19th and 20th century, these upper class people used to take proper rest to enjoy in the ball, enjoy in the party, as it was their way to socialize with other people. Okay, so in the same way, these cats are musical in nature. Let's start. Jellicle cats come out tonight. Jellicle cats come one, come all. The Jellicle moon is shining bright. Jellicles come to the Jellicle ball. So here the poet mentions that these Jellicle cats come in the night. These cats come in the group. The Jellicle moon is shining bright. Jellicle comes to the Jellicle ball. Yes, when the moon shines bright, here the Jellicle moon means the time of Jellicle ball. This is the time when these Jellicle cats come out for enjoying in the party in the Jellicle ball. Okay. Jellicle cats are black and white. Jellicle cats are rather small. Now if we talk about their appearance, these cats are black and white. These cats are rather small. Jellicle cats are merry and bright and pleasant to hear when they caterwaul. So, these cats are very cheerful and very bright and pleasant to hear when they caterwaul. So, when these cats make shrill, a howling noise, so it is very pleasant to hear. Jellicle cats have cheerful faces. Jellicle cats have bright black eyes. So, these cats have very cheerful faces. These cats have very black, bright eyes. They like to practice their airs and graces and wait for the Jellicle moon to rise. Now, these cats like to practice their airs and graces. Here the poet mentions that airs and graces means a false ways to behave, to make others feel that you are also important. Basically, you also belong to high social class family. And wait for the Jellicle moon to rise. So these cats wait for the Jellicle moon to rise so that they can enjoy in the Jellicle ball. And in that ball, they like to show off their false behaviors. Jellicle cats develop slowly. Jellicle cats are not too big. Now these cats develop slowly. These cats are not too big. These cats are rather small. Jellicle cats are roly-poly. They know how to dance a gavotte and a jig. Now these cats are fluffy types of cats and they know how to dance a gavotte and a jig. Gavotte is basically a French dance and jig means it is a lively dance with leaping movements. Okay, so these cats like to enjoy in the party. These cats like to do dance of various types. Until the Jellicle moon appears, they make their toilet and take their repose. Now, until the Jellicle moon appears, till then what they do? They make their toilet, they make their grooming and take their repose and they take proper rest, they relax. Jellicles wash behind their ears, jellicles dry between their toes. Now, students, these cats wash behind their ears. So until the Jellicle moon appears, they make their grooming, they take care of their body, they wash behind their ears and these cats dry between their toes. As you can see, these are the various characteristics that usually performed by humans. Jellicle cats are white and black. Jellicle cats are of moderate size. Jellicles jump like a jumping jack. Jellicle cats have moonlit eyes. So here the poet mentions that these cats are black and white in color. These cats are of moderate size, not too big, not too small, but they are medium in size. Jellicles jump like a jumping jack. These cats jump by spreading out their legs outwards. And these cats have moonlit eyes. That means the eyes of these cats shines like the light of the moon. They are quiet enough in the morning hours, they are quiet enough in the afternoon, reserving their terpsichorean powers to dance by the light of the jellicle moon. So these cats, during the morning hours and the afternoon hours, these cats like to keep quiet, because at that time they just take proper rest. They save their dancing powers to dance by the light of the jellicle moon, so that they save their energy to dance at the jellicle ball by the jellicle moon with full of grace, with full of charm. Jellicle cats are black and white. Jellicle cats are small. If it happens to be a stormy night, they will practice a caper or two in the hall. So here in the musical, these cats are not only black and white in color, but also they possess various coat patterns. As in 19th and 20th century, when the wealthy people went out to attend any party, then many of them used to wear black and white coats. So if it happens to be a stormy night, they will practice a caper or two in the hall. When the weather is not appropriate, when the night is stormy, then at that time they perform their dancing moves in the hall. If it happens the sun is shining bright, you would say they had nothing to do at all. They are resting and saving themselves to be right for the jellicle moon and the jellicle ball. So if it happens the sun is shining bright, so when the sun is shining bright, then you would say that they had nothing to do all. These cats are doing nothing. But no, these cats are resting. They are saving themselves. They are saving their energy for the right time. So what is the right time for the jellicle cats? The right time is the jellicle ball. When the jellicle moon appears, they go in groups. They go out to enjoy the jellicle ball. There they dance with full of grace, with full of charm. So the right time for the jellicle cats is the jellicle ball. Okay everyone, so in the end we can say that here the poet compares various traits of these cats with human attitudes. I hope this poem is clear to you everyone. Thank you.